What's up? Mofiless here in the building, man, with the ZK 37 horse Vanguard. Everybody been having, starting issues, replacing wire harnesses, replacing starters because you start and you get a clunk. All right, I made a video about this last time. I had to replace a fuse up in here because it wasn't cycling. So if you're never cycling, replace the fuse up in here, check the fuse in here, and you might get going. But the reason why I made this video is because the solenoid here, which you could see, is kind of taped up, and I got some stuff going on there. But what happens is, get some light. So up under here, I don't know if you can see the solenoid right here, but up under where the starting tab goes, right here, if it can focus. So the tab for the starter, where it connects to the solenoid, where it actually connects, from the vibration, that gets loose and your connection is not getting your full voltage when you go to hit the key. So what I did was I pulled my starter off and I soldered around that tab, around this tab, and I put some electrical tape and a couple of zip ties, and I secured the tab stronger. So now this is the tail of the tape. Let's go. Starts every time. I'm Brad Richards with Mofiless. Please subscribe and hit a like button and check out other videos I got. If you got the 37 horsepower Vanguard, I'll be making more videos about it. Happy mowing to you guys on 2024 season. Let's go.